In this graph, I want to show you the changes in boiling point temperature with the number of carbon atoms in alkanes. So that's related to alkane boiling points. The boiling points of the unbranched alkanes are shown by blue lines or blue dots, and also those branched alkanes are shown by green. And because of their smaller surface area, branched alkanes have lower boiling points than unbranched alkanes. So the unbranched alkanes have a higher boiling point temperature comparing to the branched one, because the unbranched one have larger surface area. Each additional CH2 group increases the boiling point by about 30 degrees up to about 10 carbons, and by about 20 degrees in higher alkanes.